Let's discuss the Lighting Analysis Assistant interface. The Lighting Analysis Assistant can be accessed under the Lighting Analysis menu by clicking Lighting Analysis on the main menu above the main toolbar. The Lighting Analysis Assistant provides access to the tools and settings inside of 3ds Max Design that affect the quality and accuracy of the lighting analysis. There are 4 tabs. Within each tab are rollouts that provide access to the different options within these tabs. The General tab contains 2 rollouts: the Analysis and Rendering Precision and the Analysis Value Color Coding. The accuracy of the lighting analysis relies on specific rendering settings. This rollout provides a method of validating the current settings. The Validate Render Settings window shows 3 settings that need to be set properly in order for the analysis to work. This window will indicate if any of these settings are not properly set and allow you to set them. Or you can load a preset with the correct settings by clicking on this button just below the window. In the Lighting Analysis Color Coding rollout, you can set the type of scale for the lighting analysis, as well as the minimum and maximum values. The Lighting tab contains the Lights rollout. The Lights rollout contains daylight and artificial light areas. These allow you to see what lights have invalid settings and provides a way to edit the sun and sky in order to correct the invalid settings. You can also create both a daylight system and photometric lights that have valid settings for lighting analysis. Under the Materials tab, you can see if you have any materials that have invalid settings. The number of objects with invalid settings will show up here. From here, you can assign valid generic materials. You can browse the materials assigned to objects you have selected, and you can launch the material editor. The Analysis Output tab contains 2 rollouts: the Light Meters rollout and the Image Overlay rollout. In the Light Meters rollout, you can see how many active light meters are in your scene. You can also create a new light meter. Besides being able to adjust the selected light meters by turning them on or off or showing and hiding the values in the viewport, you can calculate the values for the light meters and export the information the light meters contain to a data file. The Image Overlay rollout has an option to create an image overlay effect that works as a render effect. The image overlay is based on the rendered image and not an object in the scene, showing you the illumination values based on the final rendered image. Look in the lower right corner of the dialog, and you'll notice that we currently have 0 invalid settings. After you change any of the settings, you can click Update Status to see if any of the invalid settings you had have been fixed. Let's close the Lighting Analysis Assistant and move on.